Good morning, children. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Did you enjoy the holidays? Yes, why not? You're staying with parents, brother, sister, grandparents. Okay, lot of fun. And not only that, eating, sleeping, watching TV, playing. So many holidays, no? You enjoy really a lot, isn't it? So we are meeting so many days after. We are meeting so many days after. Are you missing your school? Really? Are you missing? Really? Okay, good. So we will start our studies now. Not only enjoyment. Enjoyment is all over. We will start studies also. Okay. So welcome to new academic year 2020-2021. I'm your mathematics teacher. My name is Murthy. Yes. So let's start the studies now. Okay. So before that, mathematics, as a mathematics, you should say mathematics only. By mistake, some children are saying maths. No, don't say maths. So basic common sense quantities, not maths, it's mathematics. Okay, don't say maths, remember. Okay, my students should say only mathematics. Okay, now coming to the important topics before that, and I want to say one more thing. If you want to be perfect, in mathematics, you should learn 2 to 15 tables. 2 to 15 tables compulsory. And some people are generally saying that mathematics is so difficult. No, mathematics is not difficult. Mathematics is very, very easy. But if you are perfect in mathematical tables, mathematics is very, very easy. Okay, you know that. Okay, so before starting the lessons or topics, everything, first focus on mathematical tables. Okay, so how many tables? 2 to 15. Yes, 2 to 15 tables. Okay, learn slowly. We have a lot of time, so be perfect in mathematics. Okay, so and we already learned last year. You know. So example, see this number. What is number? 353. So for reading this number, what should we learn? Place values or places. So we already learned now. Ones, tens, hundred. Did you remember that? Yes. Please say with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. In my book only 10,000 only I will learn up to 10,000. No. Mathematics basics important. Should learn. Every student should learn basics. Please say with me again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. These 9 are very important. How many? These 9 are very important. If possible, use fingers, no problem. You are in the starting stage. So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So these 9 are very important for reading number, for anything, basics. Okay. So next one, I am writing on the board. Ones, please say what is the next one? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, so these are the common basic points for place values, and we are separating ones, tens, hundreds into one period. This is called ones period. Which period? Ones period. In ones period, ones, tens, hundreds. And thousands, 10,000s are in which period? Thousands period. Which period? Thousands period. And lakhs, 10 lakhs are in which period? Lakhs period. Which period? And finally, crores, 10 crores, crores period. So ones, tens, hundreds in ones period, thousands, 10,000s in thousands period, lakhs, 10 lakhs in lakhs period, and finally crores, 10 crores in crores period. And actually, what is use of separation of periods? Yes, use is, see example. Four nine 3 2. If you spend around 1 minute or 2 minutes, we can read this number. But we will confusing actually. But if we are using this periods, we should keep commas here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. In which period? Ones period. Keep comma. Thousands, 10,000s in which period? Thousands period. Keep comma. After that, lakhs. See now, we kept the commas. Now reading of number is very easy. 4,94,932. Okay, so that is use of periods. Periods, keeping periods separation is not time pass. Okay, so for keeping commas for our convenience for reading number. Okay, so I'll write one more example. Please read this number. Already kept the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. So 5,232. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 5,232. So understood now? So these are called place values. Again repeat. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, so we are separating this into periods. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones period, thousands, 10,000s in thousands period, lakhs, 10 lakhs in lakhs period, and finally crores, 10 crores in crores period. Using that period, we will read the number very easily. Using period we will keep comma, and we will read the number very easy for our convenience. Okay, and next one, and using this information, we already learned some information. Now using this information, how to find the place value of the given number. How to find the place value of the given number. Example, start with easy problem. 393 means 393. Ones, tens, hundred. What is the value of 3? What is the value of 3 here? 3 in which place here? This 3 in which place here? Hundreds place. So 3 in hundreds place. That's why 3 into 100. So value of this 3, place value of this 3 is 300. Why? Because 3 in hundreds place. What is the value of 9 here? What is the place value of 9 here? Yes, tens place. So 9 into 10. 9 tens are 90. What is the value of 3 here? 3 in which place? Ones place. So 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. Okay. So what is place value? What is place value? Place value is the value of the digit. Value of the digit according to its position in the number. What is the definition for place value? Place value is the value of the digit. Value of the digit according to the place in the number. According to the place in the number. Example, say 3. what is the place of 300? So that's why this value is 300. So not only learning the topic basics or everything, should learn the definitions also. If anyone asking what is place value, don't explain what is place value, 3 means 300. No, that is explanation. So definition is very important. What is the place value? So place value. So definition, technology definition is very important. Place value is the value of the digit depending upon its position in the number. Okay, already said now. So if anyone asking what is place value, don't explain. Should say the definition. Then you will get good impression. Okay. So what is place value? Place value is the value of the digit depending upon its position. What is the position? Example H. H means 100. Depending upon the position in the number. Okay. So next one, I'll write one more example. So please read this number, 34,639. So of course we are reading using place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 34,639. One more difficult question. So what is the value of 3? 3 in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s please. So 3 into 10,000. So 30,000. So value of place value of this 3 is 30,000. How we got 30,000? Because 3 in 10,000s place. So 3 into 10,000. And one more example, last example. So if according to period you should keep commas, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000, keep comma. Read this number, 8 lakh, 8 lakh, 8,49,246. One more difficult question. What is the value of 8 here? What is the place value of 8? 8 in which place? Lakhs. So 8 into 1 lakh. So 8 lakhs. So what is the value? What is the place value of 8 is 8 lakh. Understood now how to write place value of the given digit or asking digit? Okay. So using this place values only, we can read the number also. You know, I already learned now. Write in words. No. Example. Say example. What is this number? 34,639. Using this place values only, we can write the number in words. Okay, we'll go to that one. One small question here. Please read this number, 4,243. 4,000 240. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 43. Okay, I wrote directly, but actually I wrote this number using place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Understood the difference now? What is the learning of place value? Understood the difference? If we learn the place value properly, we can read or we can write number. Understood now? See, 4,000. 4 in thousands place. So 4,000 e comma After 200, 2 in hundreds place, so 243. Then I'll write one more example. You can understand. A difficult question, no? Easy questions are very easy. So you should attempt always difficult questions. Here I wrote directly, but here we use place value. We know how to write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Okay. So before reading, here I wrote directly, but here before reading I wrote the place value. We already don't know. So what is number 5 in which place? Lakhs. So 5 lakh. 5 lakh. After keep comma, basics. Next, 23,000 period. So 23. 23,000. Comma. What? 0. So no need to discuss about 100 here. But because 100, 0 in hundreds place. So no need. So 46. What is spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 46. And these are the confusing spellings here. 40 spelling is F-O-R-T-Y. And one more confusing spelling is 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. These two spellings are the confusion. So spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y. Spelling of 90 is N-I-N-E-T-Y. Okay. So we learned so many topics today. So what we discussed today? What we discussed, so already starting of the class right now, if you are perfect in mathematics, you should learn tables. Any student should learn tables compulsory. Then you will get very, very good marks in mathematics. How many tables? So you know already. How many tables? 2 to 15 tables compulsory. Okay. After we discussed about place values. Please say again finally before completion of this class. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, yes, 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. These 9 are very important. Finally, using the place values, we wrote the place value of the given digit or asking digit. So example, in the textbook they are asking, please write the place value of underlined digit or colored digit. So using the place value, we can write the value of given digit or asking digit. Okay. And what we discussed, using the place value only, we will write the given number in words. So place value is very, very important. Okay. So I hope you enjoy the class. Thank you, children.